Word Level 1, Chapter 4. We're looking at finding and replacing formatting. When we talk about formatting, we're talking about the font size. We're talking about a font color. We're talking about the particular font itself and also the font style. We may be talking about the page color. All these things are dealing with formatting, and this is what this exercise is about. It's about using find and replace to change formatting in a document. Let's begin with the find and replace. In the editing group, we're going to click on the word replace, and we're going to click in the find what box. And if anything is in this box, you have anything previously that was in this box, you want to get rid of everything out of here so that the find what box is blank. You also want to come down here and the replace with, remove anything that's there, and we can begin doing our exercise. So I'm going back to the find what box, and I'm going to click on the more button. And what I really want to do, this is what I want to do. I want to find 12-point Candara, bold, and dark red text. That's what I'm looking for. 12-point Candara text that are bold and dark red. So I want to tell it in the find what, just what I just mentioned. I want to go down here to format, and I'm going to go to font. In my font, I'm going to put in C-A-N for Candara. I want my font style to be bold. I want my size to be 12. And I want my color to be a dark red. And as you can see here, this is the color of it. This is the actual font. It is the actual font. It is the bold. It is size 12, and it is the dark red color. So I'm going to click on OK. Now notice when you look in the find what, it's still blank in the box. But the formatting is down here. This is where the formatting is. Now let's go and replace it with what I mentioned before. So I'm going to click in the replace with. Replace with. Come down here and click on my format. Come to font. And this time I'm looking for Calibri, C-A-L, Calibri. I want it to be bold. This time I want the size of it to be 14. And then I want the color. My color, I want a dark blue. And as you can see here, this is the example of what it should look like. And then I'm going to click on OK. And all the formats that I mentioned before is down here. My find what, my replace with. Now I'm going to click on the replace all button. I have 7 replacements that this has happened in. And guess what? I'm going to close it up. Because now if you look at my document, all the conditions that was met in the find what has been replaced with the replace with.